Mario.
Hello guys and welcome again into Crypto Mario channel. So guys, if you are interested about this project, I believe you can watch this video until the end. And as always, I must warn you, I'm not a professional analyst or an economic expert. I'm just sharing with you my experience and conviction. So before investing in a project that you see in my channel, do your own research, and every decision you make, you are responsible for it, whatever it succeeds or fails. So guys, let's get into it. Hello guys and welcome again to Bybit, the main page. If you are tired of traditional cards that offer little value, here's how I upgraded my wallet with a crypto card that pays me back for my everyday spending, from shopping in the malls, buying food, or shopping a brand new watches with Bybit Live, the crypto life with Bybit card. And in this video we will discuss how to make it happen. Selected user only have a 10% cash back, and why the Bybit card stand out. It is 2% cash back in USDT, Bitcoin, and Ethereum on every purchase. 100% cash back on essential like Netflix, Spotify, Chat, GPT, Amazon Prime, and TradingView, and up to 8% API earn reward while you spend, and also instant virtual card setup with no annual or hidden fee. You can use your crypto or fiat to pay anytime, anywhere, guys. You can choose to pay using your crypto, like I said before, such as USD, or cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, TON, USDT, USDC, or MNT, and BNB. And like I said before, 100% repeat on selected partners such as Prime, Spotify, Netflix. And here you can see, guys, a lot more exciting features such as go virtual and spend instantly with Apple Pay and Google Pay. And they have use cases such as paid for my Netflix and you can get 100% cash back. And also I have spent some money on my flight and I have some cash back in my card. It is the first crypto card for 2025. Bybit card work just like Google DB or credit card, but instead of using money from your bank, it use your cryptocurrency. You see here free card issuance, no annual fee, and we have they got your first 100 USD free every month, every single time, free worldwide delivery of your Bybit card. Your assets, our protection. You can start your crypto live just a minute after application. You can first make the KYC in the account, and we will see all of that in this video and how you set up the KYC from your phone. So how it works: the card is connected to your cryptocurrency wallet where you keep your digital money. For me, I have already an account, so no need to use a new account. If you are a new user, you can use your email or your phone number. After that, guys, you will be logging into the main website. Here you can deposit now wherever you want. You can deposit crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and also on any change that you want. For example, if you want to deposit on USDT on TRC chain, you can click here on another to copy the address here or scan this QR code and send the money to it. Here you have your assets. You can deposit, withdraw. We have here the funding account. We have here the orders if you want to buy as well. You can buy on one click. Here we have your account. You can see here the info, a lot of other optional details, but first you need to do the KYC like I said before, and I will show you how to do it in my phone. After you make an account, go in your phone and make sure you are using the same account. So after you go to your application Bybit, you can enter the account that you are used to sign in or to sign up. Then click on the email if you have it log on your phone, and they will send you directly to the main website of Bybit or to the main application. Sorry, here you will enter the verification code that you have in your email. After, they will let you in. Click done and go directly to apply for the card. Here guys, you have to do whatever ID card, passport, or your driver license. Here you can see the card. Click on to get the card. Click here to verify. Wait a few moments, and here you must take pictures of the card that you will use in the main app. Click continue. After that guys, click here I accept and approve. Wait a few moments and scan your document to verify your identity. So turn on or turn the card to take the back side of the document. Click here I accept, and they will accept you after a few moments, and you will see your application. It is all done. Here they tell you it is all good. Here you can see your card, your Bybit card. You can see guys here if you want to deposit and spend like a king. You can see it is 100%, like I said before, rebate on selected partner like Netflix, Spotify, Prime, and ChatGPT. You can also shop it. For example, if you want clothes, you can go and buy whatever you need just with your prepaid Bybit card. It is the best card on 2025, and it is the best option for crypto OTS. Your assets, our protection. You can start your crypto life just a minute after application. Here guys, you can deposit like I said before on any chain that you choose. Spend with Bybit card to earn crypto reward and grand prize worth up to $1,000. So guys, I hope you like the video. All the links are important. I will leave it in the description. So guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and share this video. Bye folks, and see you in another review.